Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn a very important keyword in Java. The final keyword. First of all, what is final in Java? Final is a keyword in Java which is used to apply restrictions. When something is declared as final, it means it cannot be changed. It cannot be modified. It becomes fixed. So in simple words, final means once assigned, cannot be changed. Final keyword is mainly used for security, restriction, preventing modification, creating constant values, preventing inheritance or overriding. One very important point, static is used for memory management. Final is used for restriction. So don't confuse static and final. Now the next question is, where final can be used in Java? In Java, the final keyword can be used in three places. Final variables, final methods, final classes. Now let's understand them one by one. Final variable. A variable declared with the final keyword is called a final variable. Key points. Value of final variable cannot be changed. It becomes a constant. It must be initialized only once. We use final variables for pi value, maximum limit, fixed configuration values. For example, final double pi is equal to 3.14. Final int max is equal to 10. Once assigned, these values can never be modified. If we try to change them, Java will give an error. So final variables are used to create constants. Final method. A method declared as final cannot be overridden in a child class. Key points. Final methods prevent method overriding. Used for security. Used when logic should not be changed. If a parent class has a final method, then the child class cannot override that method. Final class. A class declared as final cannot be inherited. Key points. No other class can extend it. Used to stop inheritance. Used for security and design purpose. In Java, if a class is declared as final, no child class can inherit it. Now let's see a simple program that explains all three uses of final together. We have a class called parent which is final. So we write final class parent. Here first is the final keyword. Then the class keyword. Then the class name which is parent. Because this class is final, any other class cannot inherit the parent class. Now inside this class, we have a variable called max. So we write final int max is equal to 10. Here max is a final variable and we initialize the value with 10. And this value cannot be modified later. Then we have a method called show. So we write final void show, which prints. This is a final method. Since this method is final, it cannot be overridden in any child class. Now if any class tries to extend the parent class like class child extends parent, it gives an error because no class can inherit from a final class. Now we have the main class called demo. Inside the demo class, we create an object of parent class using parent obj is equal to new parent. Then we print the final variable value using obj.max, which prints 10. Now we call the final method show using obj.show, which prints. This is a final method. Now if we try to write obj.max is equal to 20. It gives an error because final variable cannot be modified. That's all about the final keyword in Java. In the next video, we will start a very important topic: the 4 pillars of Java. So stay tuned for that. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.